This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Burkhardt. This is a second-floor unit with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Screened balcony with storm shutter. Laundry room with washer and dryer. Kitchen has a pass-through to the dining area. Also you can eat in kitchen. Master bedroom with attached bathroom that has a shower and a walk-in closet. Tenant pays for water/sewer, cable and electric. No pets. No smoking. Yearly lease. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Burkhardt at 772-219-1111.